Alright guys, this is FrankZ's channel here, and he's got some lipo cells. It's a pretty cool system. He's got 3S lipo pack. He's got a bunch more that he's hooking up and he's discharging and testing it. If you guys are interested, you should go over to his channel and subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Just a quick shout out. See you later. And here we have Ontario Semi Off-Grid and DIY. He lives fairly close to me, a few hours away, and he just got electric Nissan Leaf, brand new. He charges off his solar panels and his DIY system. Interesting channel, you guys should check it out. Then we got JW Solar's channel here. He's a really nice guy, cool to talk to, makes some good videos. He's got a nice system. Another guy you should check out here on YouTube. And there's his channel name, JW Solar USA. Another good YouTube buddy of mine, OldTime Engineer. He's got a bunch of awesome videos. He's got a mountain property, he's got his home. They're both covered in solar panels, and he's got all kinds of neat videos you guys should check out. And there it is, his channel name. And we got Justin Case here. He's got an incredible solar system. It's extremely neat, much neater than mine. And he's got a bunch of videos on solar, like tons and tons of them. And he's started doing some off-grid camping and cross-country driving with his pickup and off-road trailer. It's pretty neat. You should check him out as well. Then we got Jeff Bragg's channel. He's got lots of solar panels, lots of DIY off-grid stuff. He even got a 80-volt Greenworks mower that he runs off his system. He runs his good portion of his house off-grid. Another good channel to check out. Really nice guy. He'll answer all your questions. Then we got the Kellogg 69. I believe that's how you say it. He's got a great channel. He's just starting to build his off-grid house, and before that he lived in Florida, and he had his house off-grid and a bunch of systems. He's got solar trackers, and he's going through building his own off-grid house right now. So sweet channel to check out. Then we got Modern Off-Grid DIY. He's got a sweet channel. He's stationed in Hawaii. He's pretty much got his house already built off-grid. He's got a system similar to mine. He's got Tesla batteries running his house. It's a 60-volt system similar to mine. Yeah, you should check him out. It's a pretty sweet channel. Lots of wind turbine stuff too. And we got YankeeFour. He has a ton of off-grid videos of his system. I believe he lives in Florida or somewhere around there. He loses power quite often, and he needs solar as a backup, and it works great for him. And I'm sure the second he gets hit by another storm, there'll be another ton of videos of his off-grid system. So another guy to check out. Here's the biggest channel on our list, Jehu Garcia. Nice guy. He has a bunch of videos of lithium batteries, solar system, his electric samba, and yeah, he's got a sweet channel. You should definitely check him out if you haven't. I'm sure most of you guys watching my channel are already subscribed to his channel, but yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys later.